In this tutorial, we will go over the proposal, change order, and online acceptance features of EstimateRocket. Proposals are digital documents which clients can view and e-sign at any time. Once your estimate is finished and you click the Complete Estimate button, a proposal will automatically be generated. You can also manually create one by selecting the green plus button. When manually created, you will have the option to choose when it becomes available and expires in the customer portal. By default, it will be available right away and expire in 30 days. Change orders can also be made from here, but we will go over those later. A proposal is a snapshot of your estimate at its current point in time, and if you need to make changes to it, you will have to change the estimate line items as needed and then create a new proposal using the plus button. If you create a new one, the previous proposal will automatically be canceled and replaced with the new one. Each proposal has a menu where you can view, email, approve, reject, or delete the proposal, as well as open the customer portal, which is what the customer will see. One thing to note is that accepted proposals can be rejected but not deleted. When you are ready to send it to the customer, select the Email Proposal option from the drop-down menu. The body of the email will contain a link that will bring the customers directly to the customer portal. The portal is a place where customers can view, accept, and manage previous proposals. When the document is opened, customers will see your proposal and can agree to it or request changes. Mandatory signature fields can also be added, which the customer can type or sign by hand. Messages can be left where the customer chooses to accept or request changes and can be viewed on the project page along with the status of the proposal. Once complete, you and the customer will receive an email confirming that the proposal has been accepted. You can also have optional line items on your groups for customers to accept or reject. This is triggered by unchecking the Include in Document Total checkbox in the Edit Group dialog. If you are using this option, the customer will have to select Accept or Reject on all the optional groups before they will see the I Agree button. When the Accept or Reject option is not being used, the I Agree button will display right away. Take note that when you do have options, the total on the document will not update when they choose an option that adds more money to the total, but the amount will update to the correct amount on the I Agree button. If one of the groups is rejected on a proposal, that group that has been rejected will automatically be excluded from the proposal, but can easily be included later as a change order if needed. Remember, a proposal is a snapshot of your estimate at the time it was created, so if changes are made to the estimate, you will have to generate a new proposal for those changes to show up. To make a change order, add your new items in a separate group, then create a new proposal. This time, we're going to select Change Order and then the line item group we want displayed on the change order. If you have multiple sections in your terms or contract, you can add additional signature lines by using the Customer Signature block tag. For EstimateRocket subscribers that have been with us before this feature was added, you will need to add the customer portal link in your email templates. We also recommend deselecting the Include PDF as an attachment, as it will not be needed, but you can leave it selected. You can find all these tags along with additional information on our support site, which we have linked in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or visit our support page.